Hello everyone, my name is Maria Quintero. This week I was assigned to prepare a tutorial for exercise 23 of chapter 4. In accounting we often refer to the process of closing. Only revenue, expense, dividends are accounts that we will close on the closing entry. To prepare a closing entry, the first thing that we have to do is to record all the revenues to close the account. And we can see the company of Faro Company. It has some revenue accounts, and we have to close this account. We can see that they have a credit balance here. We will debit each of those accounts to close this account. We put service revenue, then rent revenue. To close the account, income summary is the sum of those accounts to close the account. Now we will close the expense revenue. The expense account have a normal debit balance to close. You see, has a normal debit balance. To close them, we will credit them, yeah, and we will debit income summary. But before we start doing the income summary, we don't know the amount of this income. To know that, we start selecting all the account expense and create each of them here in this side, in the credit side. Then we do the sum of those income and we can know the income summary. You see, the sum of this account give us the income summary. Now we have the zero balance in each of those accounts, and the sum of all those result in a debit to income summary for the amount of this. The next step is to close out the income summary to retain earnings. The income summary to retain earnings, but we don't know the amount of this account. To know that, first we will create it the income summary for the amount of the revenue. Here we put part, we do an equation. The amount of the revenue, when we close it, then we debit all the expense account. This is the total of in the credit, the total of the revenue, and then in the debt account, debit account, we put the expense account, the difference between both accounts. This is the income summary. And the retained earnings. With this action, we already closed the income summary. This to close this income summary, which now had a balance of A505, we will debit the income summary and credit the retained earnings for the same amount. That is from where we have this income summary. Now, we will do our final entry, that is close our dividends. Dividends has a normal debit balance. To close it out, we will credit the dividend, this amount, to primary, and we will debit the retained earnings for the same amount to primary. Now we already have our close entry. And you notice I did not include the unearned revenue. The unearned revenue is included on the balance sheet, but we don't include this revenue in our close entry. This is because it is money that you possess but have not yet earned. It is considered a liability and is included in the current liability section of the balance sheet, but we don't include this in our closing entry. Thank you for your time. If you have any question, please let me know to answer all the questions that you have for me. Thank you.